Fuentes joins us. Zach, a lot of people wanted to know why the quake was felt so strongly in greater Sacramento as well.
Yeah, well, seismologists say that has to do with the terrain that we have here. So the Earth's crust between us and the Sierra Nevada mountain where yesterday's quake originated, that's hard. It's like solid granite. So that was like shaking a table. Now compare that to the Earth's crust between us and the Bay Area. There's a lot of softness there. So that shaking sensation would feel different than if the quake had originated in San Francisco or closer to there. Now, following that shaking we felt yesterday, we spoke with the experts about what to expect next.
As we would expect, there have been a lot of aftershocks from this earthquake. That's very normal behavior. When we see a big earthquake, there can be earthquakes happening for days afterwards.
So as Dr. Angela Chung there said, we have seen the aftershocks and will likely continue to see them, but could a bigger earthquake be on the way? Here's what she had to say about that.
We never know if an earthquake is going to be a foreshock or an aftershock until something bigger comes along or doesn't. For example, with the Ridgecrest earthquakes that happened in 2019, we had magnitude 6.4 earthquake. We thought that that was going to be it and there were going to be aftershocks, but it turns out that that was actually happening just before the magnitude 7.1 earthquake, which was the main shock. But we don't know that that's going to happen until afterwards.
Yeah, so like you heard, seismologists do have those past examples to look at to give us an understanding of and a chance to prepare for what could come next. Now, the fault that yesterday's quake happened on does give us a higher chance that a bigger one could happen compared to if an earthquake had happened on some other faults. But ultimately, they say we just don't know what's going to unfold until it happens. And that's why staying ready for an earthquake is so important, as yesterday reminded us. So don't forget to use California's earthquake early warning system. It's called the MyShake app. You've heard us mention it. You can report the shaking in your area, see recent earthquakes and aftershocks, and get a heads up if one is about to hit. That's so important there. That app is free on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store.